Edwards syndrome the best treatment option. Edwards syndrome, also known as trisomy 18, T18, or trisomy E, is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of an extra 18 Th chromosome. The majority of people with the syndrome die during the fetal stage. Enfants WHO survive experience serious defectant commonly live for short period of time. Edwards syndrome is associated with a broad spectrum of abnormalities which consist of greater than 130 discrete defects involving the brain, ear, craniofacial structure, kidney and stomach. Syndrome occurs in about 1 out of every 5,000 births. Edwards syndrome affect more girls than boys, around 80% of those affected are female. Women older than the age of 30 have a greater risk of being a child with the syndrome, altogether may also occur with women younger than 30. Cause of Edwards syndrome. Cell in the human body contain 23 pairs of chromosomes that are inherited from the person parent. In human reproductive cell, ovum cell in women and sperm cell in men have 23 individual chromosomes, referred to a XX, in women and XY, in men and numbered on through 22. Extra material from chromosome 18, obtained after the egg is fertilized, is responsible for causing Edwards syndrome. Children with Edwards syndrome have an incorrect number of chromosomes. Children with the syndrome inherited, referred to a trisomy, instead of 2 copy of chromosome 18. 95 pairs of children with Edwards syndrome have a referred to a full trisomy, while 2 pairs are due to translocation or only a portion of an extra chromosome present. 3 pairs of children with Edwards syndrome have a referred to a mosaic trisomy, or extra chromosome buno in every one of the child cell. Symptom of Edwards syndrome. The majority of children born with Edwards syndrome are but fragile and weak, many are underweight. Ceres are unusually small, while the back of ceres are prominent. Ceres are lossed and malformed, and smooth and jaw are small, a condition referred to a micronatia. Baby with the syndrome may experience a cleft palate or lip. Serrans are often clenched into fist, with their index finger overlapping their finger. Baby with Edwards syndrome can have clubfait, avel at the time fused or webbed. Children with the syndrome can experience problem with their lung and diaphragm, and blood vessel which are malformed. Them may present an number of type of congenital ear disease, to include atrial septic defect, ventricular septal defect, or patenductus arteriosus. Children with the syndrome might have an inguinal or umbilical hernia, abnormality of their urogenital system, malformed kidney, or undescended testicle if they are male. Diagnosing Edwards syndrome. A diagnosis of Edwards syndrome may be reached by the physical abnormalities that are characteristic to the syndrome. A physical examination of infant can show archetype fingerprint pattern, for example, will X-ray can show a shortened breastbone. A more definitive diagnosis can be reached through karyotyping, which involve taking a sample of infant blood for examination of their chromosome. Through use of specific stain en microscopy, identification of specific chromosome is possible and presence of an additional chromosome 18. Treatment of Edwards syndrome. Medical science no found a cure for Edwards syndrome at time. Baby with the syndrome commonly present major physical abnormality and doctor face are choice in regard to their treatment. Surgery can treat some of tissue related to the syndrome, yet extremely invasive procedure might not be in the best interest of an infant whose lifespan could be measured in weeks or even days. Treatment today consists of palliative care. Approximately 5 to 10 pairs of children with Edwards syndrome survive beyond their first year of life, requiring treatment that are appropriate for the various and chronic effects that are associated with the syndrome. Problème relaté ou nervous système abnormal ici en muscle ton affecte te développement of t'infant motor skill, potentially resulting in scoliosis en cross d'ailleurs, esotropia. Form of surgical intervention might be limited due to the shield cardiac health. Enfant with Edwards syndrome quand expérience constipation caused by port abdominal muscle ton, sommeting attaque en balif long problème. Te reçu cambe discomfort, fretfulness, en fading issue. Spécial milk formula, anti-gamme médication, laxative, stool softener, avec la suppository art potential traitement à Dr. Ma recommand. En MR sommeting attache ou no given to Achille with Edwards syndrome because tech en diplet te shield électrolyte en alter body fluid composition. Children with T syndrome exhibit sevre développemental de lait, alto early intervention through thérapie programme en spécial éducation T Maria somme développemental milestone. T also CM2 avant increased risk for the development of a, Wilm tumor, a form of kidney cancer ta affect children for the most part. It recommended a children with Edwards syndrome have a routine ultrasound of their abdomen. Children with T syndrome might require treatment for césure, clubfoot, facial cleft, spina bifida, pneumonia, ER infection, infection, hydrocéphalie, sinus infection, apnea épisode 2, urinary tract infection, elevated blood pressure, pulmonary hypertension, congenital ear disease. Prognosis of Edwards syndrome. The majority of children WHO are born with Edwards syndrome do not live past their first year of life. Their average lifespan for half of the children born with T syndrome is to month, approximately 92–95% of the children die prior to their first birthday. 5–10% of children WHO do survive their first year experience severe developmental disability. Children WHO live past their first year require walking support and their ability to learn limited. Their verbal communication ability are limited avel, all to they are able to respond to comforting and have the ability to learn to smile, recognize and interact with caregivers en hauteur. Tech en acquire skills self-fading en rolling of. Treatment management of children with Edwards syndrome depend upon the severity of finding. Trino definitive treatment for children with trisomy 18, en theoretical issue surrounding the management of the newborn due to tig mortality rate and difficulty in predicting which infant will live beyond their first year of life. The major cause of death in many of the infants is sudden death due to neurological instability, cardiac failure, and respiratory failure. For those infants diagnosed with incomplete trisomy 18 or mosaic trisomy 18, management is focused on addressing abnormality processing to have such a variable prognosis.